What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to swap Polygon to USDT in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly swap your Polygon here to USDT? Well, this one is fairly simple. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your Phantom Wallet and just basically logged in into your account. Now, once in here, what we need to do is we need to access the swap functionality. Now, usually the top section, you should see receive, send, and swap. Go ahead and select swap. Now, from here, what we need to do is we need to determine a few things. So since we want to swap from Polygon to USDT, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically choose the first one here, the UPay section, to Polygon. So currently, I have a bunch of Polygon here that maybe I want to basically convert here. Just go ahead and select that. And since we want to convert this to USDT, we want to set the you receive section here to USDT. So go ahead and click on the plus button there, and you want to go ahead and choose USDT. Now, by the way, at the top section, you have different tabs there. So there are going to be different chains that you could convert to. So in this case, go ahead and just search USDT here. So you can go choose the search bar at the top right, just type in USDT. And as you can see, you should be able to see USDT here on the Polygon chain. Go ahead and select that. Now, what we need to do here is we just need to indicate how much we want to basically transfer. Like, for example, maybe I want to send like 8 Polygon here, and let's go and view what the value for that. So currently the value for 8 Polygon here is going to be 2.5, and also take note about the fees here, price, impact, and slippage. But once you're sure, by the way, again, make sure that you're choosing the correct chain here. So by the way, if you're choosing a different chain, like for example you're using the Ethereum chain here, the fees are going to be a lot bigger, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, so once you're done, once you've specified how much you want to send, just click on swap now, and it's going to start swapping. As you can see, swapping Pol to USDT, and from then on it should say success or completed. So this might take a while, so in this case, go ahead and wait for it. So as you can see, swap to USDT. Now once we go back into our homepage here and view USDT, we should have it in here. But then again, it might take a while to reflect, so just go ahead and just reload your page here again and again until you see it reflect. As you can see, we have Tether USDT here. We've now received our USDT. In this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.